I thank you for clicking on the video today. We're going to be planting seeds in these grow tents, and we'll be able to have them sprouted and hopefully pretty healthy by the time it's time to go outside. So every year I like to save the plastic things that, I end up buying some flowers, and I like to save them so that I can use them for things like this. I've wetted down the soil, and I know corn, we want to do a lot more corn, and we'll do some tomatoes. Those like started early. Sunflowers as well like to be started early. So these bluebells we're going to start early as well. So I want to do this all of corn.
Yay!
Yeah. Alright, now I make the holes, you drop them in, okay bud? One in each hole. And then what I like to do to let us know it's been planted, I cover it up and I actually push it down. Not too hard, but I like to just kind of make it look different than all the others so that there's no mistaking that this one, hey, this one has a seed in it already, we're good to go. The reason I like starting seeds underneath a grow light is because when you start them in a window, they always seem to get lanky and they don't have strong stems. But when you start them underneath a strong light, similar to the sun, a fraction of the sun, but stronger than what you get in your window, these stems actually grow a little bit stronger. So they look more like the plants that you find when you go to Home Depot or your garden store nearby. Next, we're going to do the sunflowers. I also like the grow tents because they're sealed and they keep the moisture in and they keep the humidity high the way that the seedlings like. Some tomatoes coming up.
Well, those are so tiny. Why are they so tiny?
They're really tiny here.
I do want them.
Cucumber.
Oh yeah, they are big. Why
Sweet 100. Sweet 100 always does good. Sweet 100 seeds.
That's a lot.
Yes.
I got that many.
Or sunflowers. We got these beets we're gonna try, see if any of them pop up. They're a little older.
Do that one. Oh, those ones are very tiny. That's...
Yep.
Yeah.
You wanna do these ones?
I want to do this one. Actually, I want to do this one.
Beets? We planted them already. Yeah.
These small purchases have probably saved money over the long run. Just not purchasing, I get more plants than I would ever buy from a store. And all I have to pay for is the seeds. Once you buy it, you got it every year. So I like it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, throw us a subscribe, Also, if you're interested in the grow tents and the grow lights, I will leave a link to where I purchased those in the description. Thank you for watching.